Hey guys, this is Courtney, Kevin. Today is October the 14th. We're on our second job today. Today we had a total of 3. Our first 2 jobs are repeat clients. Our third job is a new customer. Our first job, we did carpet and tile and grout. This job, we're doing a rug and some upholstery cleaning. Guys, again, as you guys come out and you learn from me and show you guys different techniques through my ride-along program, these are some of the things you're going to learn besides just carpet cleaning, but also upholstery cleaning. The reason why a lot of cleaners are afraid of cleaning upholstery because they either don't have the experience or the knowledge, or they have had bad experience when cleaning upholstery. Let me tell you guys 3 of the best things that have helped me out over my years cleaning upholstery. The first thing that has helped me out is my setup. Okay, you see Kevin is cleaning these pillows on a table. So how you set the job up is going to determine how comfortable you are doing the job. Okay, when you're always bending over, it can really put a lot of strain on your back, and it can hurt. I mean, it can hurt when you're bent over for or bending your back over for about 2 hours. Okay, so another thing, you know, again, your setup, how easy you make your job is going to determine how easy it's going to be on your body. Also, you see Kevin have some gloves on. Okay, you got gloves on. All right. The second thing, guys, is tools. Okay, there's a lot of old-fashioned tools that you can use when you clean upholstery. Okay, but some of the best tools are going to be these dry upholstery tools, because what they do, as you release the water, it's removing the water right back into the vacuum hose, so you're not getting a lot of water splash and a lot of overspray. If you look at some of these older tools, some of the stainless steel upholstery tools, especially when they're not internal, they're external, the jet is external, you'll have a lot of water splashing everywhere, and that not only does that cause a lot of confusion when you're cleaning, but also too, you can also over wet the fabric. Okay, you can over wet the fabric. And the third thing that I've learned to help me in cleaning upholstery is technique. As you clean upholstery, and the more you clean it, you're gonna discover these different techniques that's gonna make the job easier. And that all goes back to your setup, your tool, and also your chemistry, and knowing what you're cleaning. Okay, and also knowing what you're cleaning. So that way, guys, as you learn to clean upholstery, if you learn how to charge for it, like these 2 pieces right here, we charge $220. Okay, we charge $220 for both pieces. A lot of companies do sofa and love seat for $120. And again, upholstery takes just as long. Okay, it's more detailed than carpet. So like sectional sofas, our sectional sofas start at $250 and up. Okay, last week I did a sectional sofa for $350 because it was a double-sided upholstery sofa, and that sofa took me almost 2.5 hours to clean. So once you understand how to clean upholstery, you get your different techniques, you have the right tools, the right chemistry, and also the right setup, it's going to make your job so much easier, and that way you will not regret cleaning upholstery. All right, guys, so we got our upholstery bag here, and like I said, almost done with the first sofa. Then we're going to do this one right here, and we will be done and be headed to our third and last job. All right, guys, see you in the next one.